Ever wondered why cats always seem to be watching you, no matter where you go in the house? Cats are extremely curious animals, and there is a real reason behind that phrase about curiosity in cats. They genuinely want to know what is going on around them at all times. Eye contact is also a major form of communication for cats. A slow blink is their way of telling you they feel calm and safe around you, and many cats will actually come over just because you made eye contact with them. On top of that, cats are natural hunters at their core, even after generations of living indoors instead of outside. That instinct never fully goes away, which is part of why they stay alert to sudden movements, changes in their environment, and most importantly, any signal that a treat might be coming their way.